What do people expect from life? They explore in every moment. Then have this world. The beauty of this world is feeling and touch. Connection makes the feeling permanent. We try to connect happiness, and we make the convenient and pleasant experience unforgettable. We try to connect safety, and we use the fastness and tightness for your escort. We try to connect every possibility and build a dream for every one of you. To connect the life with right actions. Because what life expects from us is much more important.